Take us through what happened on the market today. On Friday, we saw that the bourse was up 0.5% to end just above 23,000 points. Is the market following the bullish trend from Friday today?
Thank you, Feli, for having me here. The market actually did continue on a bullish trend, closing up a bit below a quarter of a percentage point at 0.28%. The market actually closed today with 25 losers and 42 gainers. We continue to see some gains in the market, but albeit on a reducing basis. We expect that something like this will continue up until midweek, where the trend will fizzle out and we might see a reversal coming to the market before the week runs out fairly.
Why would there be a reverse on the market on Wednesday?
Well, not really exactly on a Wednesday, but we expect that before the week runs out, you might see a reversal in the trend. You've seen the reverse, the lowering, the level of gains actually reducing from where it closed last week as almost at half a percentage point to just a little bit below a quarter of a percentage point for this week. We expect that a bit of profit taking might come into the market soon, and as such, we expect that the reversal might come into the market fairly.
Let's take a look at the currency. Well, the interbank interest rates are flat at about 9.6%. This as the system's definitely waiting for the stimulus package of about 200 billion naira. Firstly, when will the stimulus package be visible on the market?
Sorry, Feli, I heard a bit of a question. You have to please go over it again.
The stimulus package, 200 billion naira, that the CBN is going to inject into the market. When are we going to see signs of it coming in?
Well, the market is actually our expectation that the money should come in anytime this week. I mean, that's why you see the rates continued at such levels on the local side. We expect, according to the reports that came out last week, actually says that we should see the effects of the money coming into the market this week. So the market, this is just the first day of the week, so we expect that before the week runs out, we'll see the full effect of the money coming to the market, and as such, for that downward pressure on the interest rate, fairly.
And currently, is the interbank market liquid?
Sorry?
Is the market liquid currently?
Well, the market is a bit liquid. That's why you continue to see rates at single-digit levels. Just even if it goes into the double digit, just at the start of the double digit. So the liquidity actually still continues in the market. But we expect to see further liquidity into the market when the effect of the $2 billion stimulus package comes into the market fully.
Well, according to the FG report that was handed over to the president, the naira to the US dollar exchange rate is forecast to be stabilized at about 147 over the medium term. What's your take on it? Well,
Feli, it's basically on the basis of the various indices and the various figures that they've put together. I mean, they've got the various assumptions that they use for that figure. Talked about the projected oil price, talked about the projected revenue earnings from oil. They talked about the projected production capacity. These are the various factors that has come into the in fixing such price, not really fixing, at least to assuming that the market will stay at those levels. It's interesting to see that there's a long-term, medium-term planning coming into the country at this time. Part of the statement actually talked about the successful implementation of CBN policies. You will expect the market would watch all the various factors that actually contributed to such pricing for the dollar naira being stated in the report, and any deviation or any swift change or marked change to such assumption would obviously affect the dollar naira price. Currently, the market would take that news with interest and watch out for the various policies that would come out that is bound to support such news, such statements, and take cue from the actual effect that happens when such assumptions actually play down.
And what's the outlook for the currency this week?
Well, our currency is expected to trade on a very stable basis. Market actually would take its cue from the CBN auction for today, which is not yet out, but we do not expect any major shocks to come into the currency, trading on a flat basis basically. A little of devaluation might come into the market based on CBN workings or at the result at their auctions, but outside of that and a little bit of speculative activities, we expect some stable trading on the dollar naira fairly.